In military aviation, safety, reliability, and readiness are paramount. Ensuring aircraft are in peak condition is crucial for mission success. Let's look at how military organizations are transforming their maintenance operations with DataRobot. Our interactive dashboard provides real-time fleet status, including the total size of our fleet, our target capability, and our 60-day average historical capability, and preventative maintenance forecasting, enabling proactive decision-making and optimal resource allocation. At the command level, we can see overall fleet capability forecasts and individual aircraft readiness metrics. This comprehensive view helps commanders and maintenance chiefs optimize aircraft availability and plan missions and maintenance effectively. The system provides clear indicators of which assets most likely need attention and when. Powering these predictions is DataRobot's Enterprise AI Suite, which automates the end-to-end machine learning lifecycle. The platform evaluates hundreds of model types, selecting and optimizing the most accurate approaches for maintenance prediction. Both automated and custom Python models ensure we can capture complex maintenance patterns. The platform analyzes historical maintenance records, flight logs, aircraft specifications, and sensor data to predict when specific components will require maintenance and which operations should be prioritized for each sortie. DataRobot then evaluates dozens or hundreds of modeling approaches in parallel, delivering production-ready models in days instead of months or years, significantly outperforming traditional threshold-based approaches. Every prediction comes with detailed insights into the driving factors. The platform automatically identifies the most influential maintenance indicator in plain language and their relationship to the prediction. This transparency ensures maintenance teams understand and trust the model's recommendations. DataRobot's specialized time series capabilities automatically detect seasonality and trends, enabling predictions from hours to months ahead. This helps balance immediate maintenance needs with long-term planning. Once deployed, DataRobot's MLOps capabilities ensure predictions remain reliable. Continuous monitoring tracks model and data drift, while automated retraining keeps predictions accurate as maintenance patterns evolve. Robust governance features ensure models are managed with comprehensive controls and traceability throughout their lifecycle. Drilling deeper into the application, we can forecast individual aircraft status and component-level maintenance needs. The predictive engine identifies specific parts requiring attention before they fail, enabling proactive maintenance scheduling. In the event of a failure, in this case our AHRS is experiencing some malfunctioning internal components, the AI assistant supports logistics and offers guidance on repair procedures, ensuring swift and efficient resolutions. The latest generation of our platform combines traditional machine learning with generative AI capabilities. This fusion enables natural language interaction with complex prediction data, automated generation of detailed maintenance reports, contextual interpretation of sensor patterns, dynamic response to maintenance queries, and real-time understanding of mechanic and part availability at each base. The integrated chat interface allows users to query predictions, access maintenance documentation, instruction manuals, inventory, understand the reasoning behind each recommendation, and even run forecasting simulations with DataRobot's what-if tools. In this simulation, mechanics can evaluate scenarios to test whether exposure to harsh environments increases the likelihood of fuel line blockages or leaks that require preventative replacement. This combination of precise prediction and intuitive explanation helps maintenance teams make informed decisions quickly, with AI assistants available 24/7. Additionally, the system can pull in mechanic availability by connecting to duty schedules, ensuring that the right talent is on hand to address any arising issues efficiently. Our applications are tailored to each use case and automatically adapt to each aircraft's unique data. That said, we recognize that every use case and application require a degree of customization. As a result, we built our applications to be flexible enough to adapt accordingly. Our teams work closely with your SMEs to customize each application to ensure we're providing as much value as possible. Moreover, once we customize an application for a specific tail number, our platform enables replication across all other aircraft types through reusable and composable templates. This ensures consistent and efficient maintenance solutions throughout your fleet, maximizing the value of your investment.